That black stuff in your shower isn't just ugly, it's a health hazard that could be making your family sick. Most people are cleaning mold all wrong and making it worse. Here's the professional way to kill mold and keep it from coming back. Here's what most people don't know. Mildew is surface level and easy to remove, but black mold penetrates deep and releases toxic spores into your air. Simply wiping it away without proper treatment just spreads those spores throughout your home. Mistake number 1. Using the wrong cleaning solution. Not all products kill mold at the root. Mistake number 2. Scrubbing before spraying. This releases spores into the air before they're killed. Mistake number 3. Not wearing proper safety gear. Mold exposure causes respiratory problems and allergic reactions. Mistake number 4. Ignoring the source. If you don't fix leaks and improve ventilation, mold will come back. Here's the pro method. First, put on protective gear mask, gloves, and goggles. Spray EPA-registered mold killer or a vinegar solution directly on the mold. Let it sit for 15 minutes to penetrate and kill the roots, then scrub thoroughly with a brush. Finally, fix any leaks and improve ventilation with fans or dehumidifiers. Got a serious mold problem over 10 square feet? That requires professional remediation. Call Bear Brothers Cleaning today, 256-633-6332, or visit bearbruscleaning.com.